How to buy Roblox Plus with credit. Want to unlock Roblox Plus? Here's how to buy it with a credit card. So log into your Roblox account and then click on this Robux section. So that will take you into the Robux section. So from here, scroll down and you'll find Roblox Plus. So click on this current offer and that will take you to the checkout page. So from here, go ahead and select credit or debit card and then go ahead and enter your credit card details into the section. Click on confirm and your Roblox Plus subscription is now active. With Roblox Plus, you get discounts on items, unlimited private servers, direct Robux transfers, and more creator tools. Roblox Plus is worth it if you're an active player or creator. Buying with a credit card is quick and secure.